We're a brand new Generation 4 hotel. We have 96 rooms in-house, a mixture of double, twins and accessible rooms. We have very high occupancy levels Monday to Thursdays and Saturday nights also. It's really important for the guests to have a great experience in the hotel, especially with the air cons in the room, to keep it at a comfortable temperature to enable a good night's sleep.
The design was looked at in relationship to try and get as energy efficient and a quick installation as possible as well. So we've installed Daikin VRV systems, which turned out to be the most economical basis to put it in. We've got 5 systems on the 3 floors. We've separated in such a way that the hotel can actually use it in a more energy efficient way. They can actually separate half a floor at a time and just occupy that half a floor.
One of the biggest problems that a hotel chain has is maintaining all the fan coil units in all the bedrooms. It's an ongoing process of cleaning filters. Improving operating efficiencies by having clean filters can have a vast impact on operating costs for the hotel, and that's a benefit for our owners and operators.
The auto-cleaning duct is an accessory that you attach onto the back of a standard ducted unit. It's about 200 millimeters deep and has a filter in it which replaces the filter which is on the back of the existing ducted unit. The benefits of the auto-cleaning duct are energy efficiency, maintenance saving and an increase in system reliability. Those 2 benefits can be quantified. The inlet and outlet grills will also be kept much cleaner because the dust is being extracted from the room. The only activity that will be required is the use of vacuum cleaner every 2 to 3 months to extract the dust from the dust box, which is a simple task and will take approximately a minute.
The auto-cleaning duct that we've introduced and had on development here at St Albans, there's been an awful lot of interest from the rest of the hotel industry, certainly some of the end-user hotel brands that I'm talking to on a regular basis. I don't think it's too strong to say it could potentially be viewed as a bit of a game changer in terms of the way hotel bedrooms are maintained, particularly from an air conditioning perspective.
Having already seen the Daikin self-cleaning system in operation, we've got various hotels already on the books. This is going to benefit us quite considerably in operation terms.
I see great benefits from the self-cleaning duct in the hotel operations not just for IHG, but all other brands.